Unboxing Vicky here with you, and today I'm here for an unboxing, and it's from a new company that reached out to me, and they're called Everydayedeals, and they have a lot of diamond paintings, but they also have other stuff. So here is what they sent me so that I could share it with you guys and I could discover their products and let you know what I think about them. So the first thing I got was something that's different. I haven't had this from any company that I promote their products for, and it's a puzzle. And I think I mentioned it when I mentioned that I had been struggling from depression and that now I'm totally meds free. So last December, during the Christmas time, I was doing very poorly, and I wasn't doing mentally. It was very difficult, and I wasn't sure how I was going to get through and how everything was going to pan out. And then I started doing some puzzles, and I discovered the joy of doing puzzles, which I used to do a lot when I was younger, but then I stopped. And so I realized that it was so calming and took me out of my head, and I was able to actually, you know, enjoy this quiet time and just be in the moment. And that completely shifted everything for me. So when I saw that this company had puzzles, I had to order one. And I picked out this beautiful image, which I just think is amazing. And I love that it comes in with a smaller box. The pieces are fairly big, which is good because I don't like when the pieces are too small. It also comes in a Ziploc bag, which is amazing because you obviously don't want to lose your puzzle pieces. And when they come in those bags that you tear, then you lose them. So, and I suppose that the numbers at the back is probably some sort of hint as to how to put this together. But yeah, so I'm very much looking forward to doing this puzzle and playing with it. I haven't been doing any recently just because with all this stuff with the studio and everything, but this is going to be one of the first ones I do once I get back into doing puzzles. And I hope you go and check it out because, like I said, they have some really great ones. And I had a very difficult time choosing which one would be the right one for me. So that's the first product that I chose, and this is going to be to help my mental health and to just keep myself you know, in a good spirit. Then I shared with you guys one of the things that I love with diamond paintings is having some useful items. And this thing here I thought was perfect. As Christmas is coming, obviously you're going to want to give out gifts and wine bottles and stuff like that. So having more wine bottle bags, I just thought was a great idea. So you get the fun of doing the diamond painting, but then after you can gift it out with with a nice bottle of wine. Makes a really nice hostess gift. Of course, you could also just give out this as a present for someone that likes doing diamond paintings and things. I just find it very relaxing, and I love when it's whoops, I tore my bag. Oh well. I just love when it's small projects like this because I feel like I get them done, and it's just faster because sometimes I don't have the time for a big project. So yeah, and I know that a lot of you guys are with me on that. So and then there's this one here. And this is also a small project, but it's some Christmas stickers, and you know, with Christmas stickers what that means. It means that I'm going to be making some cards. So thinking it might be fun to make some postcards type of thing. Look at these. Aren't these adorable? They're like little gnome type of characters, and I just thought they were just the most adorable with the little houses and stuff. So I just had to get these. So I will be playing with these and then making some cards out of them. Not quite sure what or when that will be, but should be soon. I'm looking forward to playing with these products, so might be sooner rather than later. And yeah, so those are the products I got from them. Let me know what you think, and go and check them out. The links to all the products will be in the description box below. Yeah, I'm looking forward to knowing what you guys think of their products, because they really have quite a nice selection, and it's different than some other companies that I've had dealings with. So that's it for now. Love you guys so much. Take care and see you guys soon. Bye.